doing?
Daddy, today we're making some apples. We're making some apple pie, and right now I'm just pouring all the apples in here.
And what have we done so far?
So we've peeled all the apple skins off. We've cut all the apples, and we've chopped the middle out, and then we've pulled all the stickers off. So that's really all we've done, and we've read the instructions how to make apple pie. We have made it before, but we just kind of forgot. And thank you for watching this video. So now we're just pouring the water in. And if you didn't watch the last video we made, we're making apple pie. And we've done a couple of things so far. So I just poured all the water in. And this is our third mix. Now we're gonna go cook some apples. Yummy. Now I'm just on here so that we're just putting the stuff in the Thermomix and everything. So and parents, this is some advice for your kids. If they don't want to fall off, then just put the cover of the seat on the front so that they don't fall off. Just
Good tip. Good tip for all the parents out there.
So thank you for watching this.
You're gonna put the.
Show.
You gonna do anything or just?
Pour the apples. And ask your parent for help.
Alright, now we're Rome speed 2.
Set.
No, wait.
15 minutes?
15.
That's 15 seconds.
Keep going.
Keep going.
15:00.
15, 0, 0. 15. And so it's a 15, 0, 0.
Way too many. That's 99 minutes.
Oh. Do you need heat?
You need heat.
Press the middle button, the middle circle. Yep.
All the way up
All the way down.
to the right up.
That's
it. Speed 2.
Yep.
1, half, 1,
Keep going. Keep going.
keep going.
Keep going to 2.
There you go.
There you go.
This is another little keep on making how to make apple pie. And so we just chopped up some lemons. Now we're going to squeeze them into the. It's very hard.
They coming out?
Kind of. Hey, we're gonna win. You wanna win?
How much juice are you trying to get out?
All of it.
All of it? Okay. And how much you got out so far?
I'm trying my best.
Can I tell everybody at home where we got these lemons from, Maddie?
Oh, we got them from like this place where they were giving us free lemons. Yeah, they were at other people's house. They were being like so kind. So please, if you know who they are, please say thank you from us. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the like button.
Oh, goodness me.
You good?
Kind of.
That's probably enough.
No, but we need more. We need a whole other lemon.
Tune in next week to find out if she squeezes the second lemon.
Tablespoon.
This is a tablespoon, 2 lemons. A tablespoon is 2 lemons.
One drop out of each lemon, 50 lemons.
Wait.
We want to check out the cookies that you made earlier too. Look at them.
Oh!
Look at them.
Aren't they
Big bake off today.
Me and my mum made them today.
Have you got a tablespoon's worth there? Can you show everybody the bowl? How much we got?
It's about a
Yeah, we're getting
A little
close.
bit more, actually.
Yeah. Don't blow off.
if I keep squeezing hard, guys, you better click that like button, because otherwise, if you don't click the like button or the subscribe button, I think I'm gonna blow up, turn into little crumbs of lemons.
Well,
Please.
you have to like and subscribe now.
Well, yeah, because you don't want to miss, because you don't want to
Can
see
you
me.
just
watching.
squeeze a lemon, superstar?
Okay.
Can you tell me the name of this pie?
The Madison Padison apple pie.
Oh, wow.
Because my name is Madison and I love apple pie, so why not?
Delicious.
So if you're watching this video, you'll considerably, I didn't mean to say considerably, you're making a Madison Padison apple pie.
Right.
So yes, if you want to make one of those, just share it with your family and friends if they want to make a Madison Padison apple pie. We're back in now. We're just putting the cinnamon in. You also will need a bit of sugar to put. So you need to put the cinnamon in with the sugar.
So
And
how much cinnamon is there?
So 1 teaspoon.
And how much sugar is there, do you know?
I don't know.
It's a third of a
Teaspoon?
no
Cup.
cup. That's right, third of a cup.
So now we're going to just
Pour it
this
in.
because why not? We need it at it. Now in my case, I'm just going to stir it all together because why not?
And we've got lovely
It's
cinnamon
fine.
sugar.
It's fine. Now it's just brown sugar. With cinnamon.
Yeah, it is a bit.
Yummy. Now guys, don't try this yet. You need to try when it's fully done because you need to know that Madison's love is inside it. Because that's why it's called Madison Padison pie.
Right. Okay.
Hi everybody, we're back and we're just making the circles. If you forgot, they're not squares, they're circles or not any other thing. They're just circles. If you want to make them a different thing, then you can, but we are just going to make circles for today, the original thing. Now guys, it's best for the lemon one. You might get like some pain, so it's best that after you dip it into water. Because then,
Okay.
you know, that's our circle. Hi guys, we're back and we're just pouring the apples in. And they're going to be very hot, so please make sure you have a parent to help because these are really hot. Oh, and make sure to get all around. Don't even leave one single little crumb of apple left. Not even one tiny for a mouse. You need to make the apple pie speak.
Now what are we going to do?
The Madison Padison apple pie. We're just going to pour this brown sugar. I'm just joking, it's not brown sugar. It's the stuff that we put the cinnamon in. That's what makes it taste good. Cinnamon.
Can you pour that in?
Yep. Now it's time to pour the lemon juice in. Mix it all together. Sing. Let me sing as I stir. Sing. I love to sing as I stir, sing and sting. Not stinging, singing, just stirring.
How does it smell?
Smells 100% like a Madison Padison apples with cinnamon and sugar and lemon juice. Make sure to get all the cinnamon and sugar and lemon juice and all those apples mixed together. Because that's what makes it taste good when they're all together. There's only one single little bit out here. And this job might get a bit messy. I spilled sugar all over the place. Oh, hi guys. We're back and now we're just putting the apple pie circle thing, pastry, in. And it's best that if you're a kid, you ask the parent for help because don't touch the black thing, it's really, really hot. And if you don't have this one, just don't touch the adder because this could be really, 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 really hot. So you better off not.
Now what are we going to do?
So now we're going to place the apple in.
In the middle.
That's just satisfying to see when you put the apples in. Lots of apples. Lots and lots of apples.
And what does this machine do?
It makes the apple pie look like apple pie. And it's best if you use like one of these things. I don't really know what it's called, but it's best if you just use this thing. A big spoon. Hear that noise?
Not too
It's supposed to make that noise. I touched the black bit.
It's okay, you got yourself.
Don't. I'm scared. See what? I hurt my hand. Can I place it? Plus. And then, there you go. There's the 8. Check the pies on because I think they're ready.
Alright, just be careful what you
Oh, they look like ready.
touch.
Excited to eat. Don't they look tasty, guys? If you make them exactly like this, then you're a champion. Just say, because we love you guys. You're beautiful. And I hope you stay happy for the rest of your entire life. We love you guys.